So this is, we call it mulching. After we spread the topsoil, like the loam soil that after we spread that above the subgrade design level, we are doing the mulching, spreading of the mulch. So it's a hay mulch. So that it will serve as a stabilizer. So when it rains, so it will not be much, it will not have like environmental problem. So that's why we are putting mulch at the top, or hay. So that's how they are controlling the silt problem here in New Zealand. So we have a lot of companies doing only this one, like a mulching company. So yeah, that's it. Bye.